Hi everyone, my name is Tyrrell, author. I'm dressed as Songbird Superhero, the main character in my book, Songbird Great Barrier Reef Rescue, with 23,000 words for kids 8 to 11. Rosella Ava Bird, that's me, aka Rosie, that's me, arrives at Green Turtle Island with Amy, the STEM science genius who has cerebral palsy, and Ben, the shy class captain. Weird things start happening. Marine life is dying. Australian turtles are endangered. Coral reef is perishing. And one of Songbird's friends disappears.
Destructo! Evil environmental villain will make things much, much worse!
Rosie travels through a time portal to unlock a secret. Can Songbird rescue the Great Barrier Reef before it's too late? Sir David Attenborough sent me a letter of support for my book. I was interviewed by ABC Radio. You can listen to the interview on Karen Tyrrell Author YouTube channel. Songbird Great Barrier Reef Rescue is the fourth book in the series. The third book in the series was Rainforest Rescue. It was shortlisted by the Speech Pathology Book of the Year. Online, Steve Tyrrell
Hello! Hi there!
and we present Readers Theatre, pantomimes, writing workshops, and interactive author talks. Just like this, but even better. You can get free teacher resources from my website, karentyrrell.com, including a free app from the Queensland Government. There you will find themes of coral reefs, sustainability, environment, marine life, climate change, STEM science, disability, and friendship. My sponsors are Coral Watch, Australian Marine Conservation, and a whole lot more. You can get a signed book from my website if you find the file that says Songbird Books, and I will post it to you. I'll see you soon.
And Destructo says, you better come!
I will see you at my website,